think what makes the Frution commercial interiors offer so strong is the 20 years experience that we have working in the area, the 5-stage design process and an established network of suppliers local to us. My name is Mark Green, I'm Director at Frution. We're a design consultancy based in Devon. We've been here for just close to 20 years. Although my background is purely in interior design, we have a blend of graphic and digital and interior design services that provide comprehensive design solutions for businesses. We have a wide range of clients here at Frution, from the University of Exeter, Torquay Development Agency, Ladram Holiday Park in East Devon, Cofton Holidays in the Dawlish area on the ex-estuary. We've also done work for the Coast and Countryside Trust and many other businesses. Space planning is a fundamental part of successful interior design, especially in the commercial environment. Retail and leisure areas, shops, bars, restaurants and hotels, you need to seriously consider the customer flow from the customer's perspective. Think of the key decision-making points. So if someone's approaching a servery, do they have all the things they want in the order that they need them? And then once they've been through that process, what options do they have for where they go to sit or consume or take part in the offer that you're giving them? The design process for a Frution commercial interior comes in 5 stages. Stage 1 is all about establishing the brief. What is the client going to get when? What's it going to cost? And who is our target customer? Stage 2 is start to develop a visual identity for our design proposals. What's it going to look like? What materials are we going to use? What's the general look and feel? Stage 3 is about detailed design, refining those designs into specific proposals that we can get accurate costings for. Stage 4 is to do with statutory requirements and making sure that we are meeting our obligations under that. And then stage 5 is all about delivery. The most satisfying part of working in commercial interiors is when you see the project come together. There's always an element of destruction and ripping things out when you start, and then as the final solution comes into view and you see the smile on the client's face, that's the thing that makes you really happy. And then you get an added bonus later on when you find that you've made a real difference to their business. They're more successful, they've got more clients, and people are spending more money.